Check it out, y'all. This is my bed of root crops. If you're growing radishes or any brassicas, you may notice out of the center part of the plant, it's going to be forming what looks like a flower head. That means it's bolting. It's starting to shift gears from growing its root to producing a flower and reproducing. All right, so right in the middle of the screen is the bullseye on this Daikon radish that is bolting. That means it's making a flower head. So two options at this point. If you want to pinch out the flower head, that can buy you some time. It's not gonna reverse the process entirely, but it will help you out. The other thing that you can do is go ahead and harvest it. That's really probably the best thing to do, guys, before anything else changes in that plant. Put it on your plate. So think about that if you see a vegetable crop in the garden starting to flower. Things like lettuce, even beets and carrots at some point. It's just gonna happen. The soil is warm. That's really part of what triggers it. Not a lot that you can do about that. You may invest in some shade cloth that can help you extend the season. That really helps to keep things a little bit cooler. But nonetheless, be on the lookout for bolting plants. They're not gonna taste the same. They're not gonna be the same if they keep going in that direction.